Okay, hello guys. Yeah, welcome back again to this SafePal USDC mining. So what the video I want to prepare now is this video you're going to watch is a comprehensive tutorial on how to get involved, get started with this miner, connected to SafePal. Now, how do you get started? The first thing, the preliminary things you have to do is number one, you need to have a SafePal account. I was discussing with someone yesterday. I've already told him about this. He wanted to join, but I was surprised seeing him when he shared his video. I saw Trustful. I said, no, guy, this is not what I told you. You are using SafePal Wallet. And SafePal Wallet is something you can go. It's a very popular wallet in the crypto world when it comes to decentralized exchanges. Go to your Play Store, download, and sign up account with it. Now, that is the first preliminary stage. The second one is what? Fund these two accounts. This USDC Polygon, this just Polygon. Now, if you don't know what to do, now let me tell you something. When you sign up accounts with SafePal, you are going to likely see this Polygon on the list of coins showing in your front page. And when you click on this home page, you're likely going to see it. So how do you add up this if you are not seeing it? If you go to, at that moment, you might be seeing all here. That is telling you all networks. Click inside there and choose Polygon Network. Once you choose Polygon Network, all the coins under Polygon will be shown. You just type USDC. And when you see your type USDC, on somewhere here, you will see the system will say add USDC. You click on it. And then you see a list of coins under USDC like Ethereum, ERT, USDC, and all that. Look for where you have USDC Polygon. Click on the plus sign you see by the corner and you already added. So this coin will now be in your front page because you need them. Now that is the first part of it. Now when you know you have already done this, you need to fund it. Are you paying attention? You need to fund these two accounts. Now, what do you put under USDC Polygon? It depends on the amount you want to start the mining with. The minimum you can start is $10. Like this person now want to start with $20. And so there's need to fund the account with at least $20. But if you want to start with $10 fund, if you want to start with $50 fund, it's just the amount. Now, what do you put here? You put at least $1 here. Why? Because the miner will cut a one-time fee for mining, and that fee is less than $1. In fact, it's less than 50 cents. It's less than $0.5. But at least to be on the safer side, put it here. After all, the whole thing is your money. Put at least $1 here. So I will always advise, if you want to start with $20 in this mining, bring in $21, 20 here, 1 here. Do you understand? Then once you are done this preliminary part, you are ready to start. Now pay attention to the next slide. Okay. So the next thing you do at this moment, your money is already there, funded. The next thing you do is to get the miner link. This is where you need me now. Either you comment this miner link on my YouTube channel, which you are going to see even in this video, or you ask for it, chat me on WhatsApp. Once you get that miner link, you look at this place down here. You have home, you have market, you have explore, you have swap, you have your whatever. This explore, click on it. When you click on it, you're going to find this area on top where it says search tab or enter link. Click and enter that link we're talking about. Once you click and enter it, you are now going to find options. You're going to see network. Originally, there's the default network is Ethereum. You will see Ethereum standing there. So when you see Ethereum, say scroll past. Let me show you, because that's what you're going to likely see here. When you see Ethereum, just scroll past. Let me get you there. Okay. You are going to see the coin, the arrow, this green whatever here hanging on this Ethereum as day. So please go scroll until you reach this Polygon network and check on Polygon, because the miner is working on Polygon network. And that's why the USDC you funded should be on Polygon network. Please, if you don't know how to do these preliminary areas, involve us. We're going to help you. So once you have done this, the next thing you do is to what? Click. Remember the miner link is already here. You have checked Polygon network. You now click the go. That go here. And once you click the go, this is the next thing you are going to find. You are going to find this. The system will tell you you are about to do the redirect to a third-party dApp. Yes, when you see this, don't say, hey. The system, SafePal is telling you you are using a dApp, and every decentralized exchange uses decentralized apps. So, but SafePal is telling you we are not the owners of this app. You just want to use us to connect. So everything you are doing is outside us. You say no problem. Confirm. I want to continue. You click on confirm. Once you click on that confirm, you are going to find yourself next here. This is the miner you are talking about. You are going to find yourself on this miner, and this is what you are going to see. Are you seeing it? Because even though you have money on SafePal, I want to teach you something. That money you have on SafePal, you've not yet connected SafePal, so everywhere here is still showing zero because you've not yet connected it to this miner, and this is that miner. So what do you do next? You click on Connect Wallet. Connect Wallet. When you click on Connect Wallet, you are going to find this. This is what you are going to find. You need to click on Collect Wallet. So when you find this, you are going to see SafePal, Browse Wallet, this, see double SafePal. Choose the first one. Choose the first one. Click on it. When you click on it, what will you find next? This is what you are going to find next. You are going to find this. You see Solana and EVM network. Please choose EVM network. Once you choose that EVM network, what will you find next is this. You've connected it. Now that place you are seeing formerly, you are seeing Connect Network. That particular miner link is there now. And the money you have as USDC Polygon on SafePal is not showing. Look at that $20 is showing here now. Because you connected it. You connected that your wallet to this miner. Now, at this point, you are not yet done. Your money is still here. Yes, connected. But you have not yet started mining. So if you leave this money here, if you come back even 10 days after, nothing has changed. It's still the same thing because you've not started mining. Now click on Start Earning here. You now click on Start Earning. Now watch what you're going to see. After when you click on Start Earning, see what you see. The system will bring out this. You need to pay the gas fee to get the benefits. Please, you say confirm. You click on confirm. You understand? That's what you do. Once you click on confirm, the system will now bring out this. It takes you back almost like as if it's taking you back to SafePal. And it's telling you what you're about to assign an approval, this and that, what is approval and all that. Just, all of this is just check on I understand or the above. You click on it and then click on proceed. Just check this place and click on proceed. That's what you do. That's it. It's it. You check on it and click on proceed. Now, once you click on proceed, you are going to find yourself here again, where the system now wants to charge the fee. Just whatever fee they are charging here, you can see. Look at the fees. If it's not that much, 0.0225 poly. It is not even up to 0.1. So it's a very, very small fee. You click on confirm. Instanta. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the system will demand for your, your 6 digits login detail. This one has nothing to do with SafePal, nothing to do with miner. When you created your SafePal wallet, that number, 6 digit number you always use to log in. It's your security. Don't give it to anybody. When you are putting it, don't allow me to see it. It's for you. So once you put it here, it will now lead you to this place. You are not going to find yourself here again. You have paid the gas fee. The system is now telling you that based on the $20 you have there, the current wallet balance is 20, and you can get up to 0.5. That is 50 cents income every day. This is the minimum you can get. You might get more than that From experience, I've seen it. You agree, you confirm. At this point is when you've already, once you click on confirm, see where you're going to land. You're now going to land in this place. It brings you back because you have confirmed I'm ready to mine. And as I'm talking to you now, you've started mining. Mining has begun. Because that last confirmation you made, you're saying, I'm now ready to do. You started mining from this. Now, how do you still know whether the miner has worked? You just do this. You can now click on this place. Look at it. You click on this place. You see this axe icon here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you want to confirm that this is mining. Once you click on it, you're going to see yourself here. This is what you're going to see. So you are going to now see this running. Immediately you see this running, you have started mining. That's how it is. Now, if you want to check where you begin it, I'm giving you a comprehensive video. Now, if you click on this place, this is where you click to see your referral link. And that's where you're going to see all your team members, whether level 2 or level 1, because the system also pay you level 1 and 2. And how does it pay you? Listen to me. The system can only pay you if the person you refer has connected the miner and has also mined and have also withdrawn. You know why? Because if the person just puts in money in SafePal, connect the miner, the truth is that the person can wake up the following day and withdraw his fund. So imagine the system has already paid you the referral bonus and the person withdraws fund. Is cheating on the system. So the system will have allowed the person to mine and not only connect and mine, because the person can mine for the first day. After withdrawing, he withdraws everything, both capital and then. So it's only as long as each day that thing is on, the person mine and withdraws. That is there back again. The system pays you 15% direct of the withdrawal the person has made. Do you understand? That's why if you register someone, you'll be encouraging the person to be, withdrawing daily, because if the person fails to withdraw, you will not get something and you have not to blame the system. Yes, that's how it is. So that's it. So that's why then if you want to get now to know what you're mining, this profile area, now let me just show you. It's where you're going to click. Just look at it. Look at what it looks like. That is this area. Let me show you. Are you seeing it? This, that's $20 the person put. As of this time, nothing is happening. Now, let me tell you one more thing, please. That's why you need to contact me. When you are done doing this on your own, contact me. I'm going to give you a link on Telegram to meet the customer care. The customer care will dash you additional $26. Hash ID. You can see hash ID here is 0. She will give you $26 hash ID. After you must have pasted that area running and pasted this to her and drop a particular message I will drop with you. She will give you hash ID, but it will run for 3 days. In that 3 days, while this one is mining, bringing in something, this one is also mining, where you'll be checking your mined coin every 1 hour, 1 hour is under output. This reward is what is coming from your referrals. Your referrals earnings, you are getting from earnings coming from here. Come from here, monitor whether your referrals are withdrawing or not. But this one is your own. So if you receive that free hash ID that runs for 3 days, while this one is mining, generating, it should be showing what is coming from this and what is coming from $26. So except you think you don't need this, but you need it. So that's why whenever I register, if you register without my consent, do it yourself. Contact me. Let me give you a link to contact this person. Now, when you do it, the following day come back, you discover that you are going to see coins here. It's already started mining. Things are happening. And withdraw every day. How do you withdraw? Once you come here, click on max. Every coin here will enter here. Click on withdraw. And when you withdraw, just in the next 1 minute, that coin withdraw will be added to this. If you check your SafePal is added, remember all the coins in USDC Polygon is what you have here on your SafePal because you connected it. So you are going to see here, you're going to see there. What does it mean? It's compounding. That means if, for instance, you started with $20 and then you withdraw coin 5 here and it's 25. From that moment you withdraw, the miner is looking at 25. Now it's what is mine. So you start earning higher than you are earning when it was $20 because it's compounding. Are you getting it? Except a situation where you think you want to withdraw that profit, the $5 or to outside to another whatever wallet. You are getting it. But make sure you don't remove the main amount because once you remove this, You are telling the system, I don't want to start mine, because if there's nothing here, the miner cannot mine zero for you. Do you understand? This exactly. This video, I'm sure it makes sense to you. If you still have a question, use the comment box. If you want further clarification, contact me on my WhatsApp. Ask your questions and I'm going to answer you. Please don't forget to join our team. Don't. And if you are new to this channel, this is the right place to be. We'll bring opportunities of making money for you. Share this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.